Okay, here's what I got going on with the wet felting treadmill. I got 5-pound weights on either side right now, and the string runs up to the front of the treadmill and then across to the other side here. It runs back, and then what we got is at 2 miles per hour on the speed. So I think the weights are going to help a lot speed up the process. There's a swimming pool noodle in the center. It has a 1-inch hole going all the way through it. Then I took a piece of 1/2-inch copper tubing and put in through there so that the noodle could turn on the copper pipe. And that's how I was able to put the strings on so that the noodle can turn. And yeah, I'll continue to make this system a little bit better, more efficient, whatever, but this works for now. Thanks a lot.